To manufacturing, the government is banking on export promotion and revitalization of dormant subsectors to grow the manufacturing sector. Trade Principal Secretary Juma Mukhwana says ginneries will be revived or constructed in cotton-producing counties and a one-stop industrial park for making construction material set up to increase their contribution to the economy.
The manufacturing sector currently accounts for 7.2% of the gross domestic product. The government believes this contribution could increase if manufacturing sector players focus on quality products in order to be competitive in the international markets.
That's very important for us because then it protects our lives. It also protects our investments.
We have the necessary infrastructure to ensure product compliance.
They say more could be done to enhance the contribution of construction and textile to incentivize small manufacturers in these industries to boost their production quality and capacity.
We have a very elaborate policy on micro, small, medium enterprises where we are giving incentives to small industries. We are really focusing on the product itself. Initially, we used to, have a certain criteria which was quite difficult in terms of how the infrastructure you've set in.
Revitalize our manufacturing so that we are able to take advantage. The East African community is already nearly 200 million people. The African continent is 1.4 billion people. You saw we already made the first export of tea to Ghana, but what do we have to export? So the question that we are finding ourselves in is that we have opened up such a huge market, but we don't have the products that we need to sell in that market.
The Trade Principal Secretary said raw material sourcing will be made easier by providing a ready market and collection centers in counties to encourage farmers to boost production. In addition, he says an industrial park will be set up in Athi River, Machakos County, to serve as a one-stop center for construction products manufacturers, and this will be replicated for other subsectors in the future.
This industrial park will be important for promoting Buy Kenya, Build Kenya. So anybody that has good technology that they want to invest in construction can then come there.
Hibak Said for Prime Edition.